everybody, welcome back to StarGirl Beauty channel. Today I'm very excited because I want to share with you something that I will use the term miracle. These products are just working so well. I tested them a couple of times in different occasions and they really, I'm very impressed, so that I have to come back and talk to you guys about it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so if you are new here, we do a lot of skincare ingredients. We have our skincare ingredients series going on, and we also do a lot of skincare products review. Today it's one of them. So if you are interested in these kind of topics, make sure you click the button down below and subscribe. Alright, so let's go in. These are not the new products. I mentioned them on my channel more than 1 or 2 times, especially when I talk about ingredients. I already covered these 2 major ingredients previously in our skincare ingredient series. First one, you are very familiar with this. This is the Purito Centella Green Level Buffet Serum. It is filled with 49% of rich and very high grade Centella asiatica extract, okay? Also contains niacinamide to balance your skin tone and for brightening. Also contain panthenol, which is vitamin B5, and also contain adenosine, which is very good for relieving stressful skin. And the purpose mainly for this serum, it's made to calm down your inflamed skin, reduce pigmentation, elevate deep wrinkles, because it has the allantoin in there, and it also has the panthenol, and it also boosts your collagen synthesis, and it also activates your cell tissues for regenerating. Now this bottle, 49% of this you're seeing is the Centella asiatica high grade extract in there. The serum contains very simple and mild ingredients, agreed, contain a nothing to irritate your skin. Even though if you have sensitive skin, you can use it. So I already know the Centella asiatica, aka tiger grass. The reason they call tiger grass is because this Centella asiatica, the plant, has such a strong healing power. If a tiger in a wild forest get hurt, they'll roll around the grass and help themselves or skin or whatever to heal. So this product has really good healing power. Help your tissue to boost up your collagen. It's just great for regenerating and healing. So then the first time I tested it out was when I burned my skin. I use hair curler almost every day, and then I burn, now I don't even remember where I burned it. I can't even find the scar. I totally forgot. So I burned it. It was really hot, and then it has blister. So I put this thing on. In 2 days, I cannot find where it is. I don't even see the scar. No trace of it. You won't be able to remember anything of that. That's how good it is. Second time I use it for, I have a rash on my tummy here. It was very itchy, so I scratch, and then it has some, a cluster of redness around there, and then I spray with alcohol thinking that I'll disinfect myself, and then it got really bad. It just like instantly becoming like a instead of a cluster of red dots, it's just like a whole patch of red thing. It's just not good, and then it becomes painful because now it becomes an open wound. So then after shower I put this on. Same thing. The next day, it's no longer itchy, it's no longer painful, the open wound is all healed, it's already scabbing, and then the following day, the scab is already coming off. I've never seen my skin recovering so very fast. I'm not even using vitamin E. I'm just putting this serum on my skin, on my tummy here. Really, 2 days, 3 days maximum, it's healed. You significantly see, I'm so impressed, I don't know what to say. And then the third time, you saw my Instagram photo, I'm telling you that I started to use my micro needling. So I use this more than 1 minute, maybe 1.5 or 2 minutes. So I'm really cutting it into it. I'm really needling this area. Also, I use this right after my micro needling. After I use it, the next morning when I get up, it's already no more burning, no redness, nothing. It's like I didn't do it the night before. What happened? I'm going to call this a miracle solution for any kind of cut, healing on your skin, anything. I don't know what else to tell you, but based on my test, 3 times testing it, one word, impressive. And then the second product, it's really, I also told you guys a lot about it, and mainly when we talk about Ceramides, that skincare ingredient, I talk about this first JBeauty Ultra Repair Cream. The ingredient is very good. First of all, let me tell you, it is a award-winning Ultra Repair Cream. It instantly absorbed in your skin for immediate relief if you have dry, parched skin or some kind of irritation, or like myself, I cut it myself or I burn my skin, anything like that. Ingredients in there including the Ceramides shea butters to help eczema or any irritated skin. It is deeply moisturizing and to protect and rebuild your skin barriers. The antioxidant booster also protect your skin from further environmental aggressors. Yes, this is a rich whipped emollient cream that hydrates your skin, provide immediate relief, great for dry skin, distressed skin, or even eczema. Alright, shea butter also has allantoin. Allantoin is really good to calm down your skin. So I didn't use it on my face because I still feel that it's kind of rich, but I did use it on, remember I told you about my started with a cluster of red dots, and then it becomes the whole red patch, the open wound. I rip it. Then I used serum first. After it absorbed, I put on the cream on top. I am sure these two combination just works magic. I just like 24 hours, it's already fully scabbed. Within 48 hours, the scab is going down and the skin is like freshly already come out. I am so impressed. This is absolutely building your skin barrier, regenerating your skin cells, moisturizing and help it to heal. That's my sharing with these 2 magical products for my skin rashes and skin burned. Magical product. Right, check it out yourself. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be the star of the show. Thank you. Boil in hot water until the extract it's like condensed and only the substance is remained. That's why it said that it's very high graded, very high quality Cica ingredients in there.